Hello everyone, my name is John from vulgarkittenstudios, and today I want to touch on a particular topic. As you know, this video is on the third person controller playlist, and I actually made a previous video where I said that I couldn't give out the code because I actually no longer have the code and everything. Um, I also said that I wanted to do a debugging video or debugging video series to show you guys how to try to fix your own errors and stuff like that. Um, so that hasn't really gone very well. I can't really find a very good formula to teach you all of the things that you need to know about debugging and everything. So what I've come up with, just a little idea, is basically a lot of you guys have questions, have errors and stuff like that, and you're kind of stuck and you don't know what's going on. So I've seen a lot of people comment having errors and stuff, and I really want to be able to help you guys out, but the thing is, like I said, I can't do this full time, so I'm not able to go through and help every single individual person step by step and help them get their code right. So what I'm proposing to do is actually start a video series about debugging uh, with your guys' errors. So let me kind of explain a little bit more. I mean, I'm sure that you've heard of Dropbox. The actual assets and everything that I did for this video series are on Dropbox right here. You can sign up for free. So what I'm proposing to do is, if you run into errors and you can't fix them, you get stuck and everything, take your project file, just actually take up your project file and zip it up and put it on a Dropbox, and then email me the link at vulgarkittenstudios at gmail.com. So that's vulgarkittenstudios at gmail.com. Here it is right here. So just zip up your project file and send that to me and give me a brief explanation of what your issues are. And what I can do is I actually will import that into Unity and then video the debugging process. And I want to turn that into kind of like a debugging series. So I want to cover things all the way down from syntax errors to even more increasingly complex situations if you guys have any. So if you could, like I said, if you get errors and stuff like that, there's a lot of you that post in the comments that do have errors. If you still have those errors and everything, like I said, just feel free to email me your project file and I will go through it. And based on the complexity of it, I'm actually going to correct your issues. I'll take your specific project files, I'll videotape myself correcting the issues, and then send you the corrected projects. So I hope that this proposal is sufficient, because like I said, I really want to be able to help everyone, but that's been really tough. So if this works out, then hopefully you guys will learn something, and I will have been able to help you. So yeah, like I said, I look forward to getting your emails, and everybody have a good one.